Hello everyone, I am Izeko Precious, and on this particular video tutorial I'll be showing you how to change the coordinate system on GPSMap 64X Garmin product. In case you want to change your coordinate system from your geographic coordinate system, which is your latitude and longitude, you want to change it to the UTM, which is the universal transverse mercator, or you also want to change it to universal polar stereographic coordinate system, or whatsoever coordinate system you want to make use of, on this particular GPS receiver, you can actually do that. And I'm going to show you how to do it. All you need to do is use the page button, go to the main menu, and go to setup, and then go to position format. And now, as you can see on this particular GPS receiver, the position format is in degree minutes. So for instance, I don't want this, I want degree. I can also put it on degree. If I don't want it on that format, I can go to degree, minutes, and seconds. So let's check and see if our waypoints will be on this particular format. All you need to do is to mark. You can see that at this particular location, our position format is in degree, minutes, and seconds. So I quit. Let's go back to position format. Let's say I want it in degree minutes. Put it in degree minutes and just mark to see if it's in degree and minutes. And so this particular location is in degree and minutes. Quit again. I want degrees. Press enter and just mark to see. So you can see that this particular location is in degrees. Now let's say I want to change it to the UTM, universal transverse mercator. That is if I am in that particular location, which I am in Africa. Or for those that are in the universal polar stereographic coordinate system region, you can also do it here. So press enter, and then you just look for that particular position format. As you can see, we have various formats. So that is my UTM and UPS format. So I'll enter that. So let's see if this particular location will be on this position format. All you need to do is to mark. Now you can see that the location is actually on the UTM zone 31N. So this is how to change position format on GPSMap 64X Garmin product. I hope you liked and enjoyed my video, and so please like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel for more video tutorials. Thank you very much, and God bless.